Okay, guys, welcome once more. So, I'm gonna be doing a review of my trades for since the last video. So, this is my Ethereum dollar trade. I think the first trade that I took was this one here, but as you can see, I immediately got cooked without hesitation. So, I probably deleted all my levels that I was trading. But I think that's something like this. I was trading this level right here. I think it was something like that. Let me see. Yeah, it was something like that. I was trading that level or the one above it, the higher one. I don't know. Which one was I trading? Maybe this one here. Maybe that one there. I should have done this video when I was before I deleted everything. But yeah, that was pretty much the trade. And how did it go? Straight loser, got cooked right away. I was aiming at this supply level, trying to short there. And then how I basically took the trade was um, I waited to get a test of the supply zone. So we got a test, and then we broke this zone here. So we broke to the downside, made a move up, then made an equal low. Then from here we got a move higher. Then we broke this level here. Boom. Then once I saw that, I was like, okay, cool. There's a high probabilities of a move to the downside because this is the first break. So first of all, we test as a supply zone. This is the first breakdown. And then we make this high here. And then this is kind of like your typical liquidity sweep. Then you're sweeping all that liquidity above. Then I was expecting a aggressive move to the downside because it was a fake out. Um, those people trading a breakout would have thought, okay, cool, we broke this structure. Maybe there's going to be a continuation to the upside, but it was a fake out. Those stop losses were handed out, and then a continuation to the downside was what I was expecting. After that, I immediately took a sell, and the market just reversed right away. From this point, we just went straight up. So that was a loss. Here, I didn't see anything nice. The market came here. There was another supply level here. If I can try to show you, quite an old level, but where is it? Okay, here it is. It's quite the old level, but then here it is. This is the level where this aggressive move to the downside, consolidation, aggressive move up again to the downside. So this level here, I was anticipating that it's a high level of supply. So when the market came back, touched the zone, and then I just waited for my confirmation. And then right here, there was some form of head and shoulders move up, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, right shoulder here, move to the downside. And then I recognize this level here. I recognize this level here. I think it was on the 15-minute, this level here. And again, I got that on the move to the upside. I got filled. Market a bit of a drawdown and then came down. So I'm currently still in this trade. And as you can remember, the previous trade that I took on GBP AUD, the head and shoulders, I didn't put my stop level above the high. So here I went ahead and put my stop loss uh, above this high. I put my stop loss above this high for protection. So yeah, this is basically the trade that I'm in. Then so just a loss here, and then on this loss, I'm gonna share the video with you guys. On this loss, I don't know. I put my stop loss here. My stop loss was right here on MT4, MT5, sorry. My stop loss was right here, but somehow I didn't get triggered. The market just went above. I got triggered. My stop loss got triggered at two x the stop loss, which was quite crazy. I didn't know why that happened because the market was not even volatile. It was a slow moving market, but still I got triggered somewhere here. My stop loss. So yeah, I'll also share a video and then we'll discuss that to see what's going on with these prop firms. So this is the first trade that I'm currently in now, and then this is the second trade that I'm in. This is a AUDCAD trade. So pretty much what happened here, if you go down to the 2 hours, last week we had this aggressive move to the downside. So we had this aggressive move down, bit of consolidation, then aggression again to the downside. So when I saw this, I think I did it on the 4 hour. Oh, right here. So on the 4 hour, I was pretty much targeting all of this zone here. I was targeting to short the zone, and then so yeah, this is basically it. Because if you can look at this whole move, um, you have a strong push to the downside. You have a strong push to the downside, move up, and then here you're just basically consolidating on that move. So if you look at this closely, let me just get these indicators out of the way, get that out, get this out, get that out. So if you look at this closely, you can see that uh, there's a level of supply there. So we made this strong aggressive move to the downside, tested the supply zone, then came down again, tested the supply zone, came down again, and then on our move down, because initially I was supposed to have taken a trade here. This I was supposed to have taken a trade here, but I didn't quite get my signal for entry that I was looking for, so I never took the trade. So from this, you can see that okay, cool, we're still pretty much in a downtrend. Although it looks like we are like there's a bunch of trends happening here, from a higher time frame perspective, you can see that we are still in a downtrend from this strong selling pressure. This strong selling pressure here hasn't faded away, still there. This was just a correction, and this is just a correction. So I'm expecting a move lower. And then from that, when we came down here, I had marked two levels because I could see, okay, cool. I wanted to make my entry here, but I didn't get any confirmation. So I was looking at this and saying, okay, so I didn't get my confirmation there, but I can see that, okay, there was aggressive selling pressure there. And then there was another aggressive selling pressure here. So from this, I immediately marked my levels. This was my first level, and then this was my second level here. So if the market had just gone directly above, I was going to target this level, and if not, I was going to target that level again and look for an entry. But I got a rejection right here, and then I think on the 15-minute time frame, after getting that rejection, I marked out this zone right here. We have an aggressive move down, aggression, and then some consolidation, another aggressive move down. So this for me was confirmation that okay, cool, we're probably looking at a turning point, especially after this engulfing candlestick. If you look, this here was a nice engulfing candlestick. So, and then also a second engulfing candlestick. So I was like, okay, cool. It's time to take my short. Then that's when I place my trade. So I'm still currently in this trade as well. So I'm in this trade and then the Ethereum trade. These are my two current running trades.